Today's template, we have the custom Snicker bars. I'm going to show you guys how to go into Canva. It is a Canva template, how to design and add your name, and if you want to change any of the writing on the bottom here, and then 4 different ways on how you assemble. If you came here and you do not have the template, head over to thecraftprintshop.com to purchase the template, and don't forget to subscribe. Now that we're here, once you purchase your template from thecraftprintshop.com, you click on the link, it'll bring you here. You're going to select use template for new design. And this one is an easy, simple, and straight to the point. You're going to double click in the name and type in the name that you want. Don't forget your apostrophe S. And if it goes out like my name does, because it's a little too big, just size it and center it. And that's it, and that's all. Now, if you want to change any of the text on the bottom, you can just select them here and type in what you want to type in. It doesn't have to stay the same. Make it how you want it. Type in the name. My name's a little long. Again, we're going to right there. Then you're going to go over to the left and click on File. Change the name to whatever you want it to be named in your Canva account. Press Enter, come out of it. Then you're going to print. You're going to go over here to Share. Choose Download. You're going to change the file type to PDF print. You're going to flatten your PDF, and then you're going to download. Now that you have your download, you're going to print. I am printing on the Epson EcoTank 16600. I'm going to go to Media Type. I'm setting it to the rear tray. I'm using high gloss paper, and it defaults to the best quality. I'm just going to make 2 copies because I want to show you guys multiple ways that you can wrap, and you just decide which way, but I'm going to show you 4 different ways. Print, and then we'll get to work. Okay, so we have our printouts, 1 sheet on sticker, 1 sheet on the party printable paper. So we're going to just trim all of them down. You can use a scissors or you can use a paper trimmer. I have all cut. Sticker paper. Okay. So with the sticker paper, you have 2 options. You can peel it completely off, but you got to be real careful with that because once it sticks and you put your candy bar in there, that's it. Or you can peel the 4 corners. Which if you want to do sticker paper, this one is the best option. When you leave the middle, you have a little room to play with. Then you take your candy bar, place it directly in the center. It doesn't matter which side because we kept the back all brown. Squeeze that in there. Squeeze them together. Use your zigzag scissors to trim the edge. Trim the other edge. And that's that. And if you want to get a little crinkle, stick it in there. And turn it. You got to get it to stay though. You got to like push it in the groove. But make sure it's straight and not slanted because your crimp will be slanted. Crimp a little, just a little bit so you don't crush your candy bar. See? Mine was a little slanted. So you got to be real careful. It's not a large piece of paper. I'd be scared to put it in here, y'all. A little bit. So that's the sticker. So let me show you the 2 ways to do it with the regular party printable paper. So you have the option of double-sided tape, and you're going to put it around all 4 corners. Take a chocolate bar, same way we did before, and seal it. Trim. Now, if you decide to use, somebody needs to make a mini crimper. The crimper on this paper, it's hard to get in that little groove. It gives a deeper crimp. Let me put it down and then try to hold it so I'll make sure it's straight. Then turn and then pick it up. Let's see. That worked a little better. So look at that. That crimp on there is very crisp when you use that party printable paper. See that? I like this one best. If you ever ask me my favorite option, it's always the party printable paper with the double-sided tape. And now your last option, we're just going to wrap this around just to get it where we need it to be first. We're going to use the glue gun. I'm actually using Ryobi's glue pen. I hope it's ready because I always forget to turn it on. This is not as hot as the glue gun, and it has a smaller tip, so it's kind of easy to maneuver compared to the larger one. I'm gonna put this here. Just remember, once you place it down, that's it. To the other side. And then here would be, you're going to put the glue in here. Always squeeze it first. Open it up and then put the glue in. You don't want to put the glue at the tip because when you squeeze it, the glue is going to come out. So go in a little bit so it's not all the way to the top. This is kind of close to the top, so you'll see what I was talking about when you squeeze. See that little bit of glue coming out? That's what you don't want because then you're going to burn yourself. I'm going to squeeze and then glue it. And with the hot glue gun, you want to hold it for a few seconds. We're going to use the scissors. And there we have it. Your custom Snickers. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can find the templates over at thecraftprintshop.com.